So what's the difference between a forgettable listing and one that prints bookings? It's not always big budgets, it's smart upgrades. Today we're looking at 7 low-cost renovation ideas that can instantly boost guest appeal, increase nightly rates, and make your property stand out in a crowded Airbnb market. So let's break them down. One, paint with purpose. Fresh paint is the fastest and most cost-effective way to change a space. Go for light, neutral tones that reflect natural light and photograph well. Accent walls? Great, if they align with the brand of the property. Think beachy blues for coastal homes, or rich tones for cozy mountain cabins. Stick to durable, washable finishes, especially in high traffic areas. Second, upgrade your lighting. Good lighting changes everything. Harsh overhead lights kill ambience. Instead, just layer it. Use soft white LED bulbs, table lamps, and floor lamps to make the property look warm. Add dimmers where possible to give guests control over the mood. Natural light? Well, maximize it. Swap out heavy drapes or sheer curtains. It feels bigger, brighter, and more inviting. Third, focus on fixtures. Outdated faucets, handles, and hardware can really drag down the vibe and the entire space, even if everything else is spotless. Modern black, brushed gold, or matte finishes are affordable and make the world of difference, because matching them across the space adds cohesion. And you don't need a complete full remodel, just swap fixtures and the space feels instantly refreshed. Fourth, refinish or replace cabinet doors. Cabinets can date a property really fast, but full replacements are expensive. Instead, paint or refinish the doors. Replace the handles, it's simple, low cost, and transforms kitchens and bathrooms. Even peel and stick backsplashes or contact paper on old countertops can create a modern look on a tight budget. Fifth, prioritize the bed. This is huge. The bed is the center of the whole guest experience. If one thing should feel premium, it's this. Upgrade the frame. Choose a bold headboard. Layer the bed with crisp white sheets, plus pillows and a throw blanket. It photographs well, feels high-end, and gives guests a great first impression as soon as they walk into the room. Sixth, create an Instagrammable corner. This is a unique one. This can really set you apart from all the other Airbnb hosts. Give guests a reason to share their stay. Pick a spot, it could be a reading nook, a coffee station, or a cozy outdoor setup. Add thoughtful design elements like plants, artwork, or a small neon sign. It does not cost much, but adds serious visual appeal. And that's how a listing goes from nice to memorable. Seventh, refresh outdoor spaces. Whether it's a balcony, front porch, or small backyard, outdoor spaces sells. Add string lights, weather-resistant seating, and a small table. Power wash the area, and maybe throw down an outdoor rug. This makes all the difference. Even a compact space can become a highlight in listing photos. And remember to maintain the garden. Cut back hedges, cut the grass, and power wash regularly. Look, now you might be wondering, are these types of updates really worth it? Smart renovations are like compound interest for your short-term rental business. Small investments yield increasing returns over time. By focusing on simple home improvements that really do enhance both aesthetics and functionality, you can dramatically improve guest satisfaction without depleting your renovation budget. Starting an Airbnb business doesn't require a fortune, and the same principle applies to renovations. The key is identifying improvements that enhance the guest experience, photograph well for listings, that's the big one, increase booking rates, generate positive reviews, and require minimal maintenance. Look, the bottom line is this: minor renovations can quickly pay for themselves only if you focus on the highest impact spaces in your rental. You don't need to spend thousands and thousands to make a short-term rental look and feel more premium. It's about the small changes with big impact. These fixes increase guest satisfaction, boost reviews, and can really justify a higher nightly rate. And these are just a few examples of the easy, inexpensive ways you can make your space feel more like a 5-star stay. Want even more ideas? Well, feel free to click on the link in the description and head to AirDNA's blog for so much more. Smart renovations aren't just about spending more, they're about knowing where it counts. And if you want more proven tips just like this for improving your short-term rental business, feel free to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons of practical strategies to improve your short-term rental business without stretching your budget. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.